Okay, I will draw first compound. The compound is OH. This is H. Rest all are hydrogens. The question is identify and name the functional groups present in the compound. Also write the IUPAC name of each compound. So which functional group is present in this? Tell me the functional group present in this compound. Alcohol. Okay, functional group जब आपको बताना है तो you will tell dash OH. This is the functional group and the name of functional group is alcohol. Name of functional group is alcohol. Now you will tell me what is the name of this compound. Name of this compound. Propanol. Okay, correct. As we can see, here are 3 carbons, correct? 1, 2 and 3. Number of carbons are 3. Therefore, the parent alkane is propane. The parent alkane is propane, right? Since the number of carbons are 3. We will cut this E, and since OH group has attached, we will attach OL suffix. The suffix OL we are going to attach, and therefore the name is propanol. The name of the compound is propanol. I will repeat all the things again. Pay attention. See, the functional group is OH. Name is alcohol. Alcoholic group has been attached. Since the alcoholic group has been attached, we have written here OL as a suffix. First you will find, yes, any doubt? First you will find the parent alkane 1, 2, 3. As 3 carbons are present in the given compound, the name of the parent alkane is propane. जो parent alkane आहे तो propane आहे. त्यातला E कट झाला. इथे मी मुद्दामून रेड कलरने दाखवलेले E कट होऊन त्या ठिकाणी OL रिप्लेस झालेला आहे. E will get replaced by OL. So the name of the compound is propanol. Now the next structure I am going to draw here. Identify the functional group present in the compound. Which functional group is present? COOH, and the name of the functional group is carboxylic functional group. Exactly. If the name of the functional group is carboxylic functional group, then what is the name of the compound? Exactly, propanoic acid. Because whenever we saw the group is carboxylic, we will attach suffix. The suffix is oic acid. So first we will find the parent alkane as 1, 2 and 3. 3 carbons are present. So the alkane is propane. Here we are going to cut E and we will attach suffix oic acid due to the presence of COOH. COOH present है तो यहाँ पे हम oic acid इसको attach करेंगे, and hence the name of the compound is propanoic acid. This is the name of the compound. Next compound is, there are 5 carbons in a straight chain, 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. There is one double bond. Now you will identify the functional group present in the compound. Also you will tell me the name of the functional group, and then we will discuss about the name, IUPAC name of the compound. So first tell me which functional group is present. Okay, I will write here C double bond O. ठीक है, whenever you will write the functional group in this way, you will have to show their remaining valency. यहाँ पे आपको remaining valency दिखानी है. Okay, you will not draw a bond here. This is wrong because already we have drawn double bond here. आपने double bond दिखाया है. Okay, I will explain again what I was telling you. This single bond you will not draw. This is totally wrong. Why? Because you will see here already double bonds are present. डबल बॉन्ड्स प्रेजेंट है इसलिए यहाँ पे बॉन्ड नहीं आएगा, ठीक है। मीन्स आपको जब ये लिखना है C डबल बॉन्ड O लिखना है तो आपको बैलेंसेस ये वाले दो दिखाने हैं। नाउ दिस इज द फंक्शनल ग्रुप विच प्रेजेंट इन द गिवन कंपाउंड। व्हाट इज द नेम ऑफ द फंक्शनल ग्रुप? यस, कीटोन। वेरी गुड, कीटोन. If the ketonic group is present in the compound, then which suffix we are going to use in the compound? Which suffix? Exactly. Very good. Perfect. ONE. ONE is the suffix that we are going to use to parent alkane. Now tell me how many carbons are present here? How many carbons? 1, 5. अगर 5 carbons है तो parent alkane कौन सा है? Pentane. Pentane. Okay. Pent is the root word of parent alkane. Here I am going to write alkane's name pentane. ठीक है, तो यहाँ पे क्या होगा? E जो है वो रिप्लेस होगा by suffix ONE. वो जो suffix ONE है वो आपको वहां पे रिप्लेस करना है, E को रिप्लेस करेगा. Why? Because the group is ketonic. तो let's do that. इस suffix हमें यहाँ पे लगाना है ONE. Means the name of the compound is. ओके, अब यहाँ पे एक चीज आपको करनी है. यहाँ तक मैंने लिखा, ये ONE सफिक्स भी लगाया. ये जो बीच वाला मैंने प्लेस छोड़ा है, दैट इज फॉर टू मेंशन द नंबर ऑफ कार्बन टू विच कीटोनिक ग्रुप इज अटैच्ड. आई विल अगेन रिपीट दिस एम्प्टी स्पेस आई हैव केप्ट हियर टू मेंशन द नंबर ऑफ कार्बन टू विच कीटोनिक ग्रुप इज अटैच्ड. टेल मी to which carbon ketonic group is attached to? 3. Correct. Third, right. Since to third carbon the ketonic group is attached, we will write 3 between pentane and ONE. हमने यहाँ पे ये 3 को लिखा है. So finally you will write the name of the compound as pentane 3-ONE. This is pentanone. 3-pentanone भी आप लिख सकते हो. 3-pentanone is also correct. Or pentane 3-ONE is also correct. I will write here the one optional name is also there, that is pentanone. 3-pentanone or pentane 3-ONE, both the names are correct.